Before you decide whether CMiC is the right construction management software for your business, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know. We'll cover everything from its features to how it stacks up against competitors, so you'll know if it's the right fit for your project needs. First, CMiC offers a fully integrated platform designed to handle project management, financial management, and more. Unlike some competitors, it aims to centralize everything under one roof, which can save you time and streamline communication across teams. Next thing, CMiC stands out with its deep focus on construction-specific needs, including robust project scheduling, cost tracking, and reporting tools. This gives you a level of detail you might not find in more general software, like Procore or Buildertrend. However, it might feel overwhelming if you're not used to such an extensive platform. The third thing is CMiC's strong financial management capabilities. It includes features like contract management, change orders, and billing, which can be extremely helpful if you're managing complex budgets. However, competitors like Viewpoint may offer more specialized financial tools that some users might prefer. The fourth thing to note is its ease of use. While CMiC's interface is powerful, it has a steeper learning curve compared to other user-friendly platforms like Buildertrend. It's great for companies that need advanced features, but there could be a learning curve for teams that don't have dedicated IT support. Next, CMiC offers strong mobile access, allowing field workers to track progress and stay connected in real time. This is something other platforms like Procore excel at as well, but CMiC's mobile version is slightly less intuitive, especially for on-the-go workers who need something simpler. The sixth thing is security. CMiC takes data security seriously, with features like multi-factor authentication and advanced encryption. This is something many competitors, including Procore and Buildertrend, also focus on, but CMiC provides enterprise-grade security, which could be crucial if you're handling large-scale projects with sensitive information. The seventh thing is integration. CMiC offers a wide range of integrations with other software like Microsoft Project and QuickBooks, but some users find these integrations less seamless compared to what's offered by companies like Procore. If integration with other tools is a priority, this could be a potential drawback. Next, let's talk about customization. CMiC is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor the software to fit your company's specific processes. However, some competitors, like Buildertrend, are more straightforward out of the box and might be a better option if you're looking for something with less setup time. The ninth thing is its customer support. CMiC offers 24/7 customer support, but some users have reported slower response times during peak periods. In comparison, other competitors like Procore often receive praise for quicker, more effective support. The 10th thing is the cost. CMiC is typically on the higher end of the pricing spectrum. While it offers robust features, it may not be the most budget-friendly option for smaller businesses or those just starting to scale. Competitors like Buildertrend are known for more flexible pricing. Next, CMiC's reporting features are incredibly detailed, allowing for in-depth analysis of project performance. However, some users find that the reports can be too complex for smaller projects. In comparison, simpler software like CoConstruct may be more approachable for less complex jobs. The 12th thing is scalability. CMiC is designed to scale with your business as you grow, making it a good choice for larger companies with expanding project portfolios. However, if you're a small construction firm, you might find it to be more than you need, especially when compared to smaller, more streamlined platforms like Buildertrend or CoConstruct. In conclusion, CMiC is a solid construction management solution with powerful features for larger projects and companies that need a comprehensive platform. It does come with a bit of a learning curve and a higher price tag, but if your needs are complex, it could be a great fit. However, if you're looking for something simpler or more affordable, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.